close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. And love.
What's going on, guys? Good morning. What's up, Kitty? Yeah, back in Jamaica. Alright. Food for tree as usual. Yeah, Jamaica. Doing a little bit of painting. This was the door that was blocked up. We blocked it up. So, and make a suite for my mother inside. Master bedroom. What do you want? What do you want? Huh? Yeah, so I'm sweeping up. These I gotta put into the garage. Look at cement. Hard up. Throw those away. Yeah, so I'm here sweeping up this morning. Those of us who are building, who desire fruit trees, this is the result. After leaves and leaves and leaves and leaves. Right, look at this, guys. This is the East Indian, I think, and Julie, the pandis to engraft it. Look, they're bearing finally. My wife was telling me a couple days ago to cut it down, and I told her no, leave it alone, not number for the time. See that? Nice. See another one here, so again. Got a bunch of baby ones, and more blossom up top too. Yeah, man. Not number for the time. Wait on the Lord. Look at the little bananas. See them getting big, pruning them up. See the other banana them you see. 4 of them in this one. Nice and big. Lights and camera. I gotta get those chopped away. Def is coming over. So another banana put my tree. Yeah. Look at the planting, guys. Remember when my wife and I planted these 2 planting? They're so small now. Look at them, striving. Yes, so raking up leaves. Yeah, back in Jamaica again. Trying to get a little bit of business done and then flash out again. So leaves everywhere. Yeah, leaveberry time. Leaveberry. Yeah, so this mango tree full of blossom. Usually this mango tree is the one I've produced, and the other one don't have any. I know this one just have blossom so far, but it's early anyway. Not a blossom dependent. Garbage. Look at this, guys. Look how big it is. 8 months, 9 months, no, 9, 10 months. This is my pear tree avocado. Yeah. Yeah, man. Lights and cameras. I'm gonna burn the road again. When you burn it, it's better than cutting. As soon as you cut it grow back. Alright, so yeah, man. So a little business run out and take care some stuff and run back up. So flowers, them purple flowers as usual. Nice. Got the cutting them get big. Clean up. Cutting them flowers. Are you gonna trick me? This puts us take side from me. You're gonna make me drop? Yeah, so broken with the guitar. Come on, place a clean up, look a sweep up. You know, you're not on the property. You know, it's not gonna be taken care of the way you do it. Yeah, man. So you look work on the inside, no matter bathroom, finally make it into a suite for her. You know, so she have her own space now. Yeah, man. So yeah. All right. God bless, guys. Thanks for watching. What happened? Hmm? You alright? Hmm? You know me? Let me know where you're from. So yeah, guys. Let's sweep up. Still can't get rid of all the leaf them. But look much better. It will burn. Probably sun there, so we'll burn it. Not much to burn. The road is worse. The road is worse. Love the plantain tree them. Bananas, mango, coconut. Yeah, we have to chop away there. I can't see the camera. So yeah, I will get that chop away. They have to come and chop them away for me. Lights and camera. Because if we don't chop it away, eventually this light will not be able to come on. The one all the way to the right will not come on. It happened before. So once you can't get no sunlight, yeah. What do you want? Huh? Yeah, so yeah. Yeah, look a lot better. I'm about to beard now and go up on the road. Take care of some business. But yeah, clean up. Clean up nice. Yeah. To pull out the van now. Yeah, man. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. Nah, left ya. Jamaica is sweet. Beautiful Jamaica. Beautiful Jamaica. Post if you make me drop it, see? This post come and takes it for me. What happened? What happened? Make me drop it now. Where you come from? Oh yeah, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna do some more work on this house coming up. Alright. Stay tuned, alright? You see some movement. By the grace of the Lord. Alright, man. God bless. Respect. Bye. Cleaning up the sides. To get all this trash and bush off the wall. So trying to clean up a little bit. Trying to go up. Yeah. For what?